Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you can go ahead and play with any agent before purchasing them in Valorant console or Valorant in general. I guess it's the same for everywhere, but anyways, let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit play. Then you're going to go ahead and go into a practice match. Make sure you go into the range and not basic training, and let's just wait for this to load. It should take a few seconds. All right, now that we're in a training, whatever, now we're in the range. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on the options button on your controller, and you're going to go to change agent. Now from here you can play any agent you want. You can select the different types as well, so attacker, I forgot what they're called, but yeah, controller, initiator, whatever, and you can go ahead and you'll automatically change. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.